Welcome to CNC Parts and Services parts testing video, and today we have for you RG3IB servo drive, 6-axis servo drive made by Fanuc Robotics, or Fanuc, however you prefer. The part number is A06B-6105-H002. Also make a note of a serial number, which is V05428999. And the serial number is important because each of our servo amplifiers are actually tested separately, and these are high value items, so we need to make sure you're getting a good product. And like on this servo amplifier, you have a 6-axis. We also have the auxiliary axis right here, which is used for the servo gun controller on our robot. And right now we have one red LED lit up because my deadman switch is released from my pendant. And I'll grab a pendant right now. I have a little bit of a low light situation, so I need to use my flashlight right here. But I have my eye pendant ready. I'll just press the deadman switch, and this one go from all folds to 0 folds. I have just a DC 24 volts. That's for gun control. That's something totally different. And this is our drive. We have all green LEDs. That means the communication with the control, it's good. That means all the on the servo amp, all the DC making circuitry, including the capacitors, are fully charged and operational. And each transistor right now it's actually under power, even though the brakes are not released from a motor. The brakes will be released from a motor as with a minute. In a moment I'm gonna press F3 right here and press one of the motion buttons. That means let's say X, and I hope you hear the click. That means all the brakes are released from the motors, and we're able to move each axis of a servo amp. And I'll go through all the motions. I go the J1 through J6 motion, so you can actually see that each transistor on the amp it's operating with no problems. And this is actually the best. Test, for any servo amplifier, because you put the servo amp in actual environment which is prepared to work for. I need to put the camera down because I need my other hand to control the each pendant. So the best tests are actually made on either on a machine or with all the full load, full motors, or on original environment. And right now I'm just gonna put my deadman switch, press it, press the shift, and now we'll go through all the motions. We're gonna start from J1. We're gonna go left, go right. Okay, now J2, it goes up, goes down. We go J3, you'll be able to see it. J3, it goes up, let's go down. We go J4, which is right here. That's left, right here. We go J5, just extending, J5, and the last one we go J6. That's our rotary on our arm. That's it. And like you saw, we went through all of the motions on this control. So actually, we tested each transistor unit which is responsible for each of the motor rotations, and everything went good. And thank you for watching the video, and I hope you like the test of the actual unit. And this will be pay attention to the serial numbers, because this will be actually the actual unit you will be receiving. And remember, if we have more than one listing, for example, if we have 2 amplifiers listed at the same listing, the serial numbers are listed right on the listing, so you can actually request whichever serial number you like. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll deal with you later.